Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to do some basic JavaScript. Today we're going to talk about comments. Comments are lines of code that JavaScript will intentionally ignore. Comments are a great way to leave notes to yourself and to other people who will later need to figure out what that code does. There are two ways to write comments in JavaScript. You can use your two forward slashes, which will tell JavaScript to ignore for the remainder, and then you can also use this /*, which will give you multi-line comments. Try creating one of your own. So as you write code, you should regularly add comments to clarify function of parts of your code. Okay, so let's say in JavaScript, you can say console.log, and this will just console something out. Now I'm going to put in parentheses, or in parentheses, just a bit of information here, like my name. My name's Ian. And then, so as you can see, it consoles out here automatically. You can say Ian is making a video, and then it'll console out here. Now, if I were to put the forward slashes at the beginning here, then it would be commented out code. So this would be an example for the S one. And then we could say for another one, console.log about programming. Okay, and now you can see this one, it says about programming. Let's make even one more, console.log. Ian is making a video about. Okay, so now we've got 2 lines worth of code. Now we couldn't comment this out at the same time. Here's a secret code that I want, or something I want to show you really quickly and early. If you press Command and then that / key, meaning this key right here, then you can comment it out without actually having to go to the beginning. So you can comment in and out things just by clicking the Command, and then it's the question mark key, but it has a / on it. So as you see, Ian's making a video. It is a video. It is a video about. It's a video about programming. Ian is making a video. It is a video about programming. So I can comment these out, and then it is a video will be the only one that's alive. Now it's requesting that we comment one line out, but then we also comment out the second line using the multi-line syntax, and so that's this. And then you can say it's almost over. So now we have this last one, which is the last line, but it's in this element. Yeah, so if we were to delete this, you'll see that the rest of it's going to go away, because the program, if it doesn't know that the comment's closed, it will just continue on indefinitely. If I remove it, we've got all of them back. And then what happens if I do it like this? It's just a syntax error. So that's just something that we know. These are going to become very obvious, especially familiar to people who are just starting out learning JavaScript, because syntax error is just basically what a syntax error means is that you've made a grammar mistake, and in programming, grammar mistakes are fatal. And so not fatal, but they cause your programs to not work at all. And so let's undo that syntax error. And so we have it almost over. And again, the hotkey that I was saying, Command and then the tab, it won't actually make a difference if you're within a multi-line tab. So you want to make sure that you're doing this. You can comment things out and comment them back in just by pressing Command and /. So yeah, these videos are meant to be a little bit further deep dive into what you can learn rather than just that. So that's why I took the extra time. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next video.